That's why we don't want to click it. Okay. So before let's start the thing rolling. Disclaimer needed. Losing profit and loss is own personal responsibility. Buying a Lamborghini, a Ferrari, a Maserati, to the manufacturer of Maserati, Lamborghini do not guarantee you become a professional good driver at 300 kilometers per hour. I know, yes, the car can go 300 or 250. Doesn't mean the manufacturer or anybody else you can guarantee drive it professionally, expertly at 250, 230 kilometers per hour. Okay, so making money, like all things, okay, involve risk. If emotionally, financially, you don't want to lose or cannot afford to lose, then my advice to you, don't trade. Okay, don't trade. Okay, so I'll repeat again. To win, losing is part of winning. Okay, if you cannot lose properly, I will guarantee you will not be a sustainable trader. So, gentlemen, for those who want to have a private discussion with me, I'm free tomorrow from 11 something to 2 o'clock. So anybody, if you want to drop me a message, whether you meet in person or do it on WhatsApp or do it on Line or Telegram, send me a message. You can SMS me also can. Uh, uh Angie, can you put down discount code 38 down there? Okay. As for rest of you, Sito and Lam and Eddie, if you can, if you can, if you can, come back for refresher free. Okay, if one lessons four sessions you can learn everything I clap for you. Okay, I happy for you, but in reality of life you think you know only okay. Yes, so like the last December class I did one the first night I show them how simple it is to trade. Enter a trade and make 25% in 36 minutes in front of them. So come in, I send the code to you again. Okay. Okay, next. This is a quote by one the first most well known most well known international speculator gambler trader. They mention it's like the professional trader, but it's not. I will call it a speculator. The game of speculation is uniformly the most fascinating game in the world. This quote was written. This was written in a book in I think 1930s, almost 100 years ago. Okay, before Jesse Livermore died. This actually is the actual book. Actual book is written by the actual book written by Jesse Livermore. It's not the Reminiscence of Stock Trader. Reminiscence of Stock Trader is written by writer after Jesse Livermore die already. So this one a nice quote. I like it. Is the most fascinating game in the world. Yes, you make money fast. 20%, 10-15%, 10% per trade is to us is a failed trade. Okay, is to make money also considered fail. And okay, let's go back to scope first. It's not a game for stupid, mentally lazy, people inferior emotional balance, or get quick rich adventurer. The stupid, mentally lazy, and okay, I can teach, I can coach, I can scold, I can nag. Emotional, inferior emotional balance, not an issue. We can practice trade to learn. Lose 30 trades, lose 20, 30, 40 trades. Then let's see how balanced are you going to be of that. But the last one, get quick rich adventurer means that I want to make money now. Or every $1 I put in, I must make $10. I want 100% sure win rate one. Sorry, this is what I call get rich quick adventurer. They all will die poor. Means that market is great, market is fair. Because everybody go in the financial market to become profitable, winning traders, winning investors. If everybody go in the financial markets, stock market, option market, futures market, CFD market, share market, all to get rich fast, then ask yourself, all the winners' money come on who? Okay, so this trading is just a tool, okay, to enable you to live the life you want to live now. This quote is by me. 10 years ago when I organized a traders conference. Okay, now It's actually not. So how much money make, up to you. How much money lose, up to you. It's all up to you. You cannot blame the market. It's always our fault. So before we go further, this is my bio profile. And portfolio trader means I trade all time frames intra 5 minutes. Like coming 8th of February, I having a non-farm payroll live market sessions where I will teach you how to trade intra 5 minutes. So I use option shares, futures, spot forex are interchangeably. What strategies? I use all the strategies. But I guarantee all strategy can be winning strategies. Okay. What's my background? I retired in 2002, 2005, 2007. I was elected founding president of Option Trader Club of Singapore, OTCS. Then Itchy Fingers going to spend $500,000 to buy online trading academy franchise. 2009 I sold away. 2010 I start Traders Roundtable, or TRT, or Traders Edge. So technically you can say I've been this legal entity I've been doing for the last 14 years. Okay. I retired 2002 at age of 42. Now I'm 60, coming 64. Okay. So I said earlier, okay, market have been good to me. Okay, very good to me. Okay. Because unlike other people, my job is not to show off, to tell people, hey, last year I made $5 million. I don't do that. I make enough to live, to do what I want to do. I have no interest to buy Ferrari, Lamborghini, okay, and private jet, all this rubbish. So tonight we're talking about risk. Yes, I put there fixed capital risk. All risk. No stop loss trading. It means trading with no stop loss strategies. Means that you enter a trade you enter a trade with no stop loss. Because why you enter a trade no stop loss? Because you're using a stop loss capital. Only options you can do that. Shares is very hard to do because shares is mother. Spot forex also very hard to do because spot forex you need high leverage. Futures also also got high leverage. Okay, I'll explain more later I show later. Spot forex versus futures versus shares and things like that. I got at least one slide here for that. So let's talk risk first. We talk fixed capital risk. Before we talk about fixed capital risk, what called dollar capital risk first, let me explain to you what the three different major class of risk. Listen Anna, and who else? Wutong is a new guy. Who else? Michael, John, and who else? Daniel. My student, listen carefully. There got three types of risk you need to worry about. This type of risk is not a single risk, it's a multiple risk. External risk. What external risk? I'll explain more to you. But fundamental external risk what? Like test external risk by something like, okay, suddenly China government said, sorry, all China ADR in America is not recognized in China. Okay, it's rendered legally worthless. It's criminal offense for any Chinese company to issue American ADRs, which are American deposit receipts. Like when you buy Alibaba from China, buy Alibaba, a Chinese company in America, or buy Baidu or buy Tencent, you're buying ADR. So if a China government for Beijing come out, then all Chinese company ADR is illegal in China. Okay, Chinese company cannot do it. Then you know what happened to all Chinese company? This is what I call external risk. This one is what I call government risk or geopolitical risk. Anybody have questions? External risk also involves suddenly you long gold, you short you long oil. Suddenly the Houthis in Yemen suddenly managed to blow up 3 oil tankers and 1 American warship. You know what happened to oil price? Daniel? Anna? Okay, if the thing come out, blow out thing, you short the oil, you die. Why? Oil will shoot up by $10, $20, $30. Why? Straight Hormuz blew up already. The major oil producer Now the oil tanker catch fire and American warship sink down. Right, that we call that is what we call external risk. External risks are risks you cannot control, you cannot predict. Okay? Anybody got any questions regarding external risk? Okay, wait, later. I apologize. Internal risk is referring to you. Okay, your psychological, your emotional, your strategies you use to choose. You trade under instead of buying options, you go and buy shares. Ah, all these are internal risks because you make the decision. Okay. Lastly, financial risk. Okay, how many different types of financial risks there are? I will explain to you more. So these are the three major class of risk. The first one in gray in color, external risk is not under your control. It's not control. We cannot forecast, we cannot know. So what we can do, we can micromanage it through your internal use of use of your internal risk to manage it. By what? Sorry, use of your financial risk means that every trade I go in is $500 only, $1,000. I will not go more than that. Okay? But most of you don't go that way lah. Okay? You think I make money, I must put in more contracts. So from I start with 5 contracts, then I make money, I go 10. I'll make more money, I go to 20. After I make more money, I go 100. I'll make some more money. I put all my money into one trade. So ladies and gentlemen, okay. If that happen now, you know what happen now. You make money on 1 contract, 3 contract, 5 contract, you lose of 50, 100. It happens before. This is what I call that style risk will go back to you. We call overconfidence risk. So what is external risk? Here are some external risks. Company risk, management risk, sector risk. And sector means industry lah. Okay? Like I think last year there's a case of the bank runs crash. All the whole banking sector drop because some banks in America go bankrupt. Then we got legal risk, political risk, country risk, social risk in nation. Let me show you. Let me give you example one by one. Okay. Okay. Company risk. Elon management risk. Simple. Elon Musk suddenly died. Not predictable, correct? What happened to Tesla? Go up, go down. You know, without Elon Musk, Tesla in trouble. In fact, any company with Tesla in trouble. Okay? Okay, then definitely the thing will crash 20-30%. Understand what I'm saying so far? By the way, you all can hear me now. Fast audio visual check. Say yes or no, please. Thank you. Thanks, Mr. Lam. So sector risk, industrial means that means basically remember the how to put it nicely. Remember how if one company suddenly let's say now Amazon come out with one bad report. Anything related to sex Amazon have a month of bad have a month of bad have a quarter of very bad performance. Related company to the particular company have the bad quarter will, how to put it nicely, cannot drag down. Okay, legal risk. You know what I mean? Suddenly the company being arrested. Okay, the CEO being arrested or investigated, that we call legal risk. Geopolitical risk. Okay lah, like I say, it's one of them lah. Xi Jinping make a comment, no? Okay. Country risk now. Okay. Now we are projecting the inflation the price of product will go up because why? Okay. How to say the Strait of Hormuz a lot of ships don't go inside because they're scared of kidnap attack. Okay, not only that okay, like there is also what you call environmental risk. And then put inside environmental. What's environmental risk? Like the Strait of the Panama Canals. You know Panama Canal because owing to the drought down there, the Panama Canal not enough water for if ship to go efficiency to make it very efficient. Country is China, okay, declare war. Okay, just imagine See, suddenly you Saudi they attack Iran attack Saudi. Hey, whoever short oil, whoever long oil will cry. Why? Okay, no, whoever short oil will cry. Why? Saudi and Iran fight. That means all the Middle East oil is under threat. Social risk means come up with some bad reports. Okay, what you don't believe me? Some social risk you don't understand. You said no problem on social only. You ask Kentucky Malaysia lah. What happened to them? Huh? The Israeli and Palestine suddenly Kentucky, Malaysia kena boycott. International risk also lah, like Ukraine and our good friend Russia fighting. So all this starting will impact market pricing. It can be crude oil, it can be companies, it can be anything. Anybody, any questions regarding external risk or not? Daniel? I never put environment risk. Because that was I put an air of God. Daniel, Eddie, sorry, no, who else inside here then? Come on. John? Anybody any questions? Thank you. This one is internal risk. Internal risk is referring to what? It's referring to you. It's all under your control. I mean what? Why want to trade? My Thomas, my account is $5,000. I go and buy CMG $2,000 company. That's a choice, And I buy shares. Hello, your account is $5,000 only. You cannot even buy 2 shares. All these are this is what internal risk means what? What type of trading strategy? What trade option shares and futures? Like yesterday night I was trading what I think it was AMD, is it? I lost about $5 per share for AMD. Is it or Boeing? I'm not so sure. Yesterday night I lost some money on some shares. AMD. But my Boeing I make 50%. So end of the day, ask yourself, when we do trading at time, we must know 3 things. We must know a thing. What is your objective? Your skills, your competency, your capital resources, okay, and your duration. And by the way, stop loss, I repeat again, stop loss, cut loss is not risk management. Stop loss, cut loss is it's actually stop loss, cut loss is what I call let me see versus trade management. Stop loss, cut loss is under what I call exit management. Entry and exit. So you cut loss is exit. It's not risk management. You gonna put $50,000 in. You want go tell me you gonna put a $500 stop loss. I prepare lose 500. I prepare lose 500, but I put 50,000. I buy 50,000 worth of shares. I think that's delusionary. So all these are critical things. What strategy use? Sometimes when you choose how to execute, how to fulfill. Do you have the knowledge now? Do you understand what you know now? Do you have the skills and lastly, the most important, do you have the emotional stability? So these are internal you. So I don't want to spend too much time on this one and external because it will never end. It's gonna be a separate 3-4 hours session. Tonight we'll focus on what? What happened to my dear one? Oh no. The other one here. This one is what? Okay. This is what we call capital financial risk management. Financial means what? There got so many ways to count financial management. Okay, so man, this is financial. I'll just show you. Sorry, I just slide go up a bit. Okay, see financial risk management. Financial risk management is over here. Basically, got a few types of risk management. A lot of people count. This is what I discovered many years ago. After helping people for 20 coming to 25 years, this is some people say, Thomas, my risk management, my financial risk is based on stop loss. Stop loss is not risk management. Stop loss is what I call exit management or trade management. Some people say, Thomas, I based on price action candles. I base on ATR body. I base on underlying fair value. I base on ATR based on chart patterns. So people say, okay, the ATR now, the 1 month high and low is $40. So I buy a $3 company. I put a $40 stop loss. Please, when you buy a $300 company, your 100 shares is $30,000, not $400. Not $400 cut loss. So all these most people have got this bad habit. Okay, in fact, this is a very negative habit. But to me, risk management is up. What is your capital on underlying? So if you go and buy $5,000 worth of shares and put a $50 stop loss, the risk manage your capital risk is $5,000, not stop loss. Stop loss, cut loss is trade management. So leverage, price action, volatility, ATR, stop loss, these are not risk management. When you do trading, what is risk? Risk is your capital size position. So let's say now you go and buy $30,000 worth of DBS shares, and you do CFD. Then you say CFD, my broker give me 10x to 1, means that for $30,000, my broker put the $3,000. Your risk is not $3,000 deposit or margin or buying power. Your risk is $30,000 of share value. Understand what I'm saying? So far, gentlemen, ladies. Okay? Before I go to the actual class proper. So tonight's session, we are talking about two things: shares, ETF, stocks, or options. So today, I want to teach you a style of trading using options. Options that do use a very small amount of capital to trade. That's the problem. Mr. Lam, you're right to say you cannot, because your stop loss is not guaranteed at the price. And other word, and okay, I agree. You are experiencing some exceptional event that cause a gap. Unfortunately, stop loss do not manage do not hide the fact that you go and buy $50,000 worth of shares no matter how good your stop loss is you still need $50,000 of capital risk inside the market. You understand what I'm saying And it's not exceptional event that cause a gap up. Nowadays gap up, gap down is very common. If you do not believe me, go and talk to Angie and John. Okay? Okay, you see us, we are, let's be honest, I got a class that specialize in trading gapping. Okay? I tell you, I got special class, special set of strategy that teach people how to do scalping based on gapping action. So Mr. Lam, you must understand, no? If you go and put $50,000 inside, you have $50,000 of capital. Okay, $50,000 capital, and the company can gap down or can anytime gap down one. The problem is your stop loss is not guaranteed at that price. The stop loss is not stop out at that price. It's stop out at whatever market price, and most people die horribly, overtrade and die horribly. I put a $5 stop loss the thing gap down by 50 Okay, Mr. Lam, you understand saying Mr. Lam? So remember, you go and buy just say now you go and buy, okay don't say hungry you go and buy a $120 company that is $12,000 and you put a stop loss unfortunately a stop loss is not guaranteed stop loss you put a $5 stop loss and the company drop $15 you think your stop loss will trigger if you will stop out at minus $5 or you stop out at market price? Daniel, Mr. Lam, you understand say remember, you go and buy 10,000, 50,000 your capital 50,000 you committed 50,000 your stop loss Chinese say is just a risk, just a trade management tool okay. Shares and options. Let's go back as well. Shares and options are got two things. Shares is good for what? Okay, scalping for abnormal. What is it? Like what say? Gapping action. Abnormal price movement, price collapse, price gap up. Shares is also good for what? Long-term investing. So I said earlier, when you do trading at time, when we do share trading, it's only good for two things only, my friend. Good for what? Day scalping or long-term investing. When I say long-term investing, I'm not talking about 6 months or 6 weeks or 6 months. I'm talking about 5 years, 6 years, 10 years. Okay? Ah. So don't tell me, Thomas, my long-term investing, 6 weeks. Don't talk nonsense, okay? 6 weeks is not. Anything less than 1 year is considered trading. I don't care. I know people say invest in options. Sorry, options is not cannot be invested because options got lifespan. And because option got lifespan, when you buy a shares, let's say you go and buy Microsoft, the shares is belong to you forever and ever until Microsoft delisted. That's the reason why you pay the full price of $240 for Microsoft shares. But if you can buy a $5 option on Microsoft, because it's so cheap, $5 is 2% of share value. 2% of share value. Therefore, that represents the right to buy or sell Tesla Microsoft share. That means that since you buy so cheap and in relation to the mother price, your have one limitation is what? Time. And one thing good about life about options, because options keep you honest. Because you buy shares, let's say Thomas, I will do contra trading. Okay, buy already, I lose money, I don't cut loss. I do swing now. I swing wow, I lose money, I don't want to cut out. I change to positional now. Wow, still cannot make money. Okay, don't mind, I still lose money, don't mind, I investing now. Oh, still something still cannot go up. I hold for retirement now. Oh, still cannot go up. Okay, don't mind. I'll give it to my grandchildren now. Before that happen, the company you invested in got listed. And this type of things, don't laugh, no. This is not a joke. No. I got people. I tell you, doing this. I retired in 2002. I've been helping people in that. I trade Singapore market longer than that. And last time, Singapore market got contra. Contra means use broker money to trade. You open on Monday, pay 3 months, 30 days later. That was last time, a long time ago. Okay. Anybody, wait, before we continue, anybody understand the difference between shares and options? Type out a question, please. Don't be shy, ladies and gentlemen. My job is to share much about it. Okay, my job is adding education. The fact that half the tendency is, in fact, more than 70-80% of people here are my students. Okay. Anybody have questions? Yes, there's gonna be a live market educational show and tell session. That one should be at most by after 10:30, 10:45. Anybody have questions about shares versus options? Anybody? Before we go further, tell me. Oh, now let's go back to main topic of the night. Open risk versus fixed risk. Open risk, to my definition, is required is trading with full underlying share options positions. You can include futures inside. Spot forex do the same thing. Ladies and gentlemen, when you trade euros, let's say you go and buy one lot of standard euros. There's 100,000 euros there. I don't care how much stop loss you use. I don't care how much leverage you use. But when you buy one standard lot of spot euro USD, that is 100,000. You make money on 100,000. Therefore, you lose money based on 100,000 euros. That is open risk. Okay. To me, when you buy a share, it's considered open risk. When you short a share, it's also open risk. Thomas, I short a shares. I short a share is fixed. I paid $30 to OCB DBS. DBS shares. Stop. That to me is open risk. Okay, like like AMD like that. Okay, $160. That's $16,000. To me, that's open risk. Someone, what I mean by fixed? What I mean by predefined strict risk? Look carefully. Okay, predefined fixed fees means what? 100, 250, 500, $1,000 per trade. Means that every one of trade must fit into one risk carrier. The best part, this type of thing, this type of valuation is determined by you before you look for any trades. And look carefully, no stop loss order, no margin, no leverage, no buying power effect. If I can put a trade of $500 inside for option trading on say AMD tonight, worst case, must be die $500 or less. For those who anybody don't understand what I mean by predefined capital risk. How about you, Willie? Oolong? I believe, Willie, you got some experience in trading, correct? So if you reach $500 per trade, nothing wrong. You buy shares of 500, but you cannot buy 5 shares. Let's say now you go and buy AMD. $500 you can buy 3 shares only. Hello? How much money can you make for 3 shares? Unless you want to slowly dollar average in for the next 5 years, 10 years do for long term investing. So predefined risk by my determinant is always with options. Okay? Not got a gap because shares is too expensive. Of course my friend, everything with objective one. After Mr. Lam, I will explain to you later, Ken. I will explain to you how I teach my traders to trade. Ken? I will share to you my team flow. Strategies which method use how use is come last. Okay? Okay, let me go inside here. So let me show you some example. It's a nice example using a friend AMD. Okay? Open risk versus fixed risk. Look you can buy AMD shares. AMD shares now is cost how much? $133.40. 100. Thomas, why can I buy 2? Stop. I'm using apple to apple comparisons. All options contract represent 100 share equivalent. So in order to compare apple versus apple, we must follow options 100 share equivalent. Yes, I know you can buy 1 share, 2 share, 3 shares, but we are not trading. All options contract for equities and ETF and equities ETF and our good friend indexes equity indexes are 100 multipliers. Okay, so now you buy 100 shares you buy 1 call options means give you the right to buy 100 shares of 100 shares at a certain price within a certain period of time. So buy 100 shares is $13,000. Can depend on you It means if some of you got $500,000 $100,000 $200,000 account size okay, don't mind. Nothing wrong. Okay, nothing wrong. By the way, if I trade shares I don't trade 100 one. I trade 500 or 1,000 2,000. Okay. Next. So this one next. Instead of buying 100 shares, you can buy a call at a money call 1134. Cost you how much? Cost you cost you $5.95. 599 times 100 is 595. Okay, Thomas. My account size only $3,000 only. Cannot do. Can. Instead, if your budget is $100 budget you go and do what you call a bull call spread. Buy 1 call, sell 1 call. It's that called the bull call spread. This trade is what $100 trade. Thomas, $45 45 cents only, $45 only. Yes, it's maximum loss is 45. But your position you buy 135, you sell 165 What's the difference? You buy 135 and 165 is $1. $1 times 100 is $100. So any questions so far regarding uh predefined fixed capital risk, $505, share price $13,340, and buy a $100 predefined spread trade. Really understand saying lah. Worst come to worst, how much you lose? After you buy Amazon, Amazon got hacked 5 days, 5 nights, 2 days or 48 hours. I cannot go in. Amazon die already, cannot go in. The price of 130 drop to $50. What's how much you lose? Depends. You buy shares, 13 you have risk up, you can potentially, if Amazon go drop to zero, you lost $13,340. If you buy a call, the worst case you lose, buy a $595 call, worst case drop to zero. If you go and buy a spread, how much worse you do? You buy $1 spread, it costs you $45. Worst case lose, even drop to zero, go to $45. You understand? Understand? So it depends on your skills and your objective. So if you are starting to learn to trade, gentlemen, which one better? Let's say now you got $5,000 account size, or 3,000 US account size. Gentlemen, really, which one better? Mr. Lam? Eddie? What else inside? I got it. Serena? Wulong? Michael? Melvin? Melvin don't answer. Your old timer. Gary? Sito? So gentlemen, let's go better. Depends on you. If you are a skilled, competent trader with 6 figures plus account size, buy the share is perfectly okay. If your account size starting out, learning how to trade, learning how to warm out, then I think let's say account size is $3,000 for learning purpose, then it's better to do $1 spread trade, correct? Remember, as a beginner level starter trader, your job is not to find the best trade or to the best trade so you can make the most money. As a beginner starter trader, your job is within your account size capital to do as many trades as you can without burning your account. Your job when you're starting off, your job is not to maximize how to make a lot of money. You're first starting out. The problem, most people die horribly as beginner because they're starting out, they won't focus how much money you can make. Your job as a beginner starting trader or is to warm up to become a competent self-functioning trader. In order to do that, you will do 1, 2, 3, 400 trades first. No such thing. I got a knowledge, I got a method, therefore I become a millionaire. Anybody, any questions? This is a cheap example, $133. How about Tesla? Tesla, that time, this one is a nice example in August also. Anybody any questions so far? Or am I talking too fast? Michael? Please ask question. Tesla, the share at time August time is $287. Nothing wrong. Buy 100 shares is $28,000. Okay, how about Thomas? Buy one call lah. Buy a 290 call, give me unlimited profitability. Cost you $19.15. Times 100 become $19,000. Okay? Or Thomas, my account size is small. I will do this trade for $500. Can you buy 290, you sell 295, you pay how much? You pay 215. Your maximum loss for this trade is what? $215. You all understand saying? Please learn, please, you need to understand this thing, no? Share versus options. Because share option is a foundation of why we trade options. Anybody any questions? Please ask please, or it's simple. Type yes, you can hear my voice, and in my is my presentation okay? Audio visual okay now? Thank you. So this is an example. So another thing is why we use options, because options are instead of shares. Look at this company. This company now I think is about 2,000. The time we do this capture, this company is 2,000 traded at $2,113 per share. So you buy 100 shares, will cost you $211,300. Nothing wrong. Can afford it lah. Go ahead. Thomas, why do I buy a straight call? Buy a 2015. One thing good about the shares. Shares have perpetuity. You can buy, lose money, hold and pray until delisted or recover back. Okay? Options. Be carefully. You can buy one options. You can buy a 2018. Buy $211,000. Give you unlimited profitability forever. Or you can buy a bullish call option. Okay? For $8,720. We give you I think for 30 days here. I think for 30 days. Okay? I think wrong. It's perfectly acceptable. So are you is it Thomas? So my account size is so small. I still do a trade. Can you not go and do a trade for $500? So let's say gentlemen better. Buy call better, buy share better, or buy spread better. Wulong I think you coming a bit late. So what type of experience? Okay, how many of you have no option experience? How many have totally have very? Oh my God. How many of you have totally no option experience at all? He beside you. So ask you a question. You pay 211,000 better, or you put $500 inside better? As a trader, as a starter trader with no minimum knowledge, which one better? Risk $211,000 or put $500 inside? Worst case, how much you lose? Worst case, you lose $250. Then how much money can you make? $250. So, gentlemen, that's why I teach options. I love to trade stocks and shares. Some of my old students know go and buy 1,000 shares, make $10-15 per share. Trade 1,000 shares, make $10. That's $10,000 in 15 minutes. Sorry, crypto options, be careful. Okay, crypto options, is it listed in New York Stock Exchange or not, or is it private? If private one, be very careful. All these options you see here, gentlemen, is listed in New York Stock Market, Chicago Market, ICE, all the different CBOE exchanges. So, Mr. Wulong, be very careful. Are you trading one? It means they actually all private lah. Okay. Currently, there's no crypto options Even they got crypto options on Bitcoin futures, but it's not open to retail level traders. Okay. So if you trade private brokers or private exchange, so called, if they makan you, you cannot complain. Okay. If the MAS, if the MAS approved, if the MAS approved brokers, approved by Singapore, then not too bad lah. Then you got MAS godfather to make sure you get the money back lah. But if I'm not wrong, your broker should be overseas third world brokers. Maybe Mr. Wu, you want to talk to me in private, please? I don't want to spend too much time talking about crypto. I love crypto also, but I don't teach so much because there's too many not unreliable lah. Before we go further, all this stuff, by the way, options trading option methodology can be applied to all this trading here. Scalper, day trader, swing trader, fundamentals, positioners, breakout, momentum, trend, predictive, counter trade. All options, like you use options to trade. As long you need to understand, as long your company, your trading, underlying trading have good options. Not all options are good. Okay, like the crypto option down there, I said, well, okay, crypto options is another questionable options. I repeat again, not options are good. For those who attended my option 101, options basic 101 class, I show some examples to you what is good options, what is bad options. Same thing. Okay, all all brokers that is licensed by MAS or SC or the American SEC, they're quite safe lah. Okay, quite safe lah. Okay, if your broker is licensed by Mauritius, Cyprus, then nothing much to say. Okay, now before we go further, we here are five different type of market opportunities. Investing always go up. It's normally more than 1 year, 1 year plus. Next, directional trading very simple lah. Buy bullish, sell bearish. So you can buy a bullish trade and buy a bearish trade with options. But shares, you can buy shares and short shares. Options, you can buy bullish options, you can buy bearish options. Then here we got one day trading, day trading, price action trading, and scalping. This one is called day trade for day trading. Yes, sometimes you can use options, sometimes you must take shares. That would depends on the underlying. Then this is my favorite, multi-dimensional trading. Okay, means that up I make money, don't move I make money, down I make money. There's another this one these two here, these two here, these two here are options only. Pure options. The rest can use shares. You cannot do income trading using sell income trading means shake leg make money trades you using shares. You cannot. Okay? You need options. So multi-dimensional means bullish I make, down I make, flat I make, breakout I make, breakdown I make, don't move I lose. All these are multi-dimensional, multi-direction trading is 100% using options. Anybody, any questions so far? Really? Mr. Wu? Wu Long, sorry. Wun Long. But ladies and gentlemen, if I mispronounce the name, my apologies. Mr. Lam? Tonight's session, we are focusing on type trading. C market, trade market, also known as SMTM. Basically, this tonight's session, we will teach you a style of trading that is not predictive. We see market, then we trade. How we trade, what we trade, and what trade we trade, and what time rate is secondary. But the market will tell us. Okay? I think you change it. SMTM. Shares options which are objective lah. For general trading purpose, I think option is definitely superior. Of course, if you are scalping or doing 5 year, 10 years, 15, 20 years investment cycle, so that your grandchildren can have educational funds for their condo or for their Harvard University education uni funds then that shares will definitely better. Today's market is bull, up, bear, down, yo-yo. Yo-yo doesn't mean it's sideways. It's what we call range bond. Range bond got quiet range bond and got volatility range bond. Question anybody? Then ladies and gentlemen, you notice I deliberately put CFDs and spot forex in red because these are all private brokers. Your order do not go to a regulated third party. You go to one particular. So in the world, if you trade stocks and shares, if you trade stocks and shares, I need $30,000. let's be honest, if $30 sing, I don't think you can buy DBS shares also, I think. Okay? Futures. Now one contract of S&P SPY mini is about $13,000 per contract. That is not your risk. $13,000 is your deposit, your margin for the trade. Buy shares depends. If you go and say, 3,000 may not be enough. Okay, let's say now you go and buy AVGO 1,000 shares. You cannot, 30,000 not enough cover. Come think of it, if you go and buy AVGO or Broadcom 1,000 shares, I don't think $300,000 can cover that. Okay. Angie, what's the AVGO current price? I think $800 or $900 now. Okay. Now per share, you want to buy 1,000 shares, that's $800,000. $900,000 is 900,000. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's why I said, oh, sorry, I take it back. Too long never trade. 1,100. So you buy 100. Don't say 1,000 now. You go and buy 100 shares. 100 shares is 115,000. 100 shares only. That's why we use option to trade. Not 100 shares is bare minimum. Please don't tell me you trade with 1 share, 10 shares. Okay? So normal trading is what? Predict the market. I buy to go up. I sell to go down. Short to go down. Okay, that's for shares. For options, you can buy a bullish option call, bullish call options, or buy a bearish put options to go down. Your trading method can be based on technicals, fundamentals, and price action. Okay. Tonight. Okay forget it. Tonight I don't think I will do. Ladies and gentlemen, I will not do AVGO trade again. Because AOGO I think at least $5 spread now. And I don't think it's a good idea for you for beginners, the normal traders do $5 spreads. Because for $5 spreads, you can do $100 5 different trades. Okay, you know what this is share trading, option trading. Option trading, simple, bullish, bearish, and sideways, kangaroo is normal, market is bad. Then in the world, just now Mr. Lam said, got ultra action, gap out, Superman up, or ultra action, get down. What I call ultra up, ultra down means abnormal monster candle movements. Then lastly, my favorite is called option premium volatility trading style. Means that it's a form of trading that is based on option price volatility price option pricing. Okay, option pricing to structure a trade. This one unique. This one is very unique here. What's so unique? You don't need to use chart patterns to predict market easy. You just simply trade based on option pricing. Anybody, any questions regarding the 6 different ways to trade options? Anybody? Mr. Lam? Serena? Really, Wulong? So this is a typical normal market is up. Oh, sorry. No, sorry. This one is up here. Sorry, up here. Down. That is normal way. The problem with trading up or down, buy up or sell down, one problem is that you need to be right. If I buy shares, for me to make money, it must go up. If don't move, I go lose money through slippage and commission. If drop, I go lose more money. Okay, options can trade volatile sideways market, quiet sideways market, decreasing, increasing volume. All these are some sample positions, some sample opportunities. Reality of life, got so many ways to trade options. That's why I said option trading is a multi-dimensional, multi-directional trading. When you buy a shares, you buy go up. You short shares, it's going to go down. You unlike options, you can short and long at the same time. Shares, you buy 1,000 shares, you short 1,000 shares, is equal to zero. Of options, you can do it a lot because options itself got option itself for let's say for Tesla got more than 1,000 different options, strike price and expiry. Uh, Mr. Lam, Mr. Lam, are you here? Ah, this is the way I see market. Look at here. Market opportunity is step one. So then after this is most important. Most people don't understand now. Your feasibility based on what? Based on your expertise, your knowledge, and most important, your risk capital. Then based on your objective, should I trade intraday, intra-week, intra-fortnight, intra-month, intra-quarterly, intra-year positions? Okay, Thomas, I want them after you say I do intraday. Should I trade shares? Should I trade futures? Should I trade options? Because I said once I trade options, then before you go, should I buy a call or sell a spread or whatever? You see, I can do straight buy straight call, sell straight call, buy bull call spread, sell bear call spread, all these are thing here. Once you determine here, then only then, only then you choose the entry parameters. Because the entry parameters got at least eight different parameters. Sorry, at least six different parameters for beginners. Entry parameter got eight different. Cut loss is one of them. Cut loss can be based on price. Cut loss can be based on time. I will strong. I suggest you take up. I would try to suggest to you take up some basic strategy, class. If you are free tomorrow morning or afternoon session, 11 to 2 o'clock, why don't have a private talk to you whether is it on WhatsApp or on a mobile? Okay, Mr. Lam. Because I do not know your background. You ask me how to start. Take up my what you call, take up my 6 months. Take my 6 months trip program now. May or may not be suitable for you, because I don't know your background. You say you're a beginner. I do not know. I have turned up people before. They want to learn from me, but I turn them down. Why? Emotionally, financially, and their belief system they cannot trade because Chinese say they what you say, Chinese say sim tua means they're very greedy, or they're very lazy, or they're looking for holy grail. Oh, just press one button, For every $1 I lose, must make $10. Every time I want 80% winning rate. For one I lose I put $1 must make $10. This type of belief system. If anybody got this type of belief system, I can help you, Ask yourself, you make put $1, make $10. Then which idiots lose $10, make $1. Okay, Mr. Lam? Really? Wulong, any questions? Tonight we're focusing on options. And I don't trade crypto so much because good cryptos are not many available. There's not much good term. For cryptos, I only trade one. I only trade a good friend. I don't trade the stable coins. I only trade Ethereum and Bitcoin only. And I trade futures. Okay? So tonight's session, I'll be most probably doing two type trading. Directional trading, taking a bullish, bearish view of the market. One thing bad, need to be right to make money. There's another type of trading is what you call passive style trading, multi-directional. Means bull up crack, bear down crack. This one now we can trade this one. Up I make money, down I make money, sideways I make money. So Thomas, then how you lose money? Can. You lose money what? If the thing drop below, move too much down or move too much up, you lose money. So this money is called passive style. One thing you up don't move to make money, so do not need to be right to make money. And this one is day trading, price volatility, scalping news and things like that. If you know what you're doing, you do options but not so much for beginners because this type of thing tend to be quite quite aggressive and fierce Before somebody asks you what the best strategies are, I guarantee all strategies are guaranteed sure win one. Okay, I repeat again, ladies and gentlemen, I guarantee Australia win one. Excuse me. Are you sure? Of course. Thomas, this method is so horrible every time, but this method is sure. I buy option every time lose money one. If you buy option every time lose money, then why don't you sell? Remember, for every trade, there must be a buyer, a seller. If you as a buyer lose money, the seller must make money. Or somebody else must make money. So you all don't worry about this rubbish. Thomas, I worry about time decay. Excuse me. Time decay is not a problem. Time decay is only become a problem if you become a PAP trader. Okay, what I mean by PAP trader? Nothing to do with government. If your trading style, I lose money, I pray until I make money. Then time decay got problem for you because you don't want to lose. Emotionally, financially, psychologically, don't want to lose. Then you got this mindset, we got problem. Okay, so in the world of trading, these are the 5 star, the four major market analysis. One, fundamentals. Fundamental I call history. Why? Because you use it only if you want to do it for do investing. Why history? Because earnings cycle, like example, the next week coming earnings, next week earnings. Earnings are every 3 months come out 1 month. Every 3 months come out one time. So 1 year come out 4 earnings report. If you want analyze FA, you must analyze at least 8 to 12 earnings report to give you a big picture numbers. So if you analyze last 3 years data, do you think is for to trade what swing trade or 5 6 days? No. So, ladies and gentlemen, the longer you analyze, the further back longer you go back in time to, the longer your trade or investment prediction you are going to do. Okay, technical analysis I call past 10. Thomas, are you sure about past 10? I use 5 minutes analyze 1 minute candle I analyze 50 minutes candle analyze the last 10 hours analyze the last 10 hours excuse me. 1 hour, listen to me carefully. 1 hour, 15 minutes candle, 4 candles. Analyze back the last 5 days 100 over how many candles that one? It's how many hours? It's 500 candles there. If you analyze 500 candles or 500 data points it to me don't say 500, even you analyze 50 candlesticks of 5 minutes or 1 minute or 1 day or 1 day or 5 minutes or 1 minute candles, to me it's called past 10 because you analyze 50 data points. Price action trading is what I call present tense. You analyze on the basis of 2 3 candles. Then quantitative option premium and quantitative option premium analysis I call future tense. Why? Because all option pricing is priced for future. Okay? Why? Because very simple. All options have a unique strike price. Means what price? I hear that. This one is what? This one is $60 here. $60, $6 strike, $60. Expiry how many days? 23 days. Have a 23 days, 60 days. 60 days here, no, 23 days here. Okay, and 60 strike. Have a dollar value. How much? Bid $8, ask 8.40. This one quoted by buyers and seller. Thomas, are you sure accurate now? It's very accurate because all buyers want to buy cheap, all sellers want to sell expensive. So the $8, 8.40 is the market consensus price of the potential range of movement. If everybody believe right can go up by $50, the price will not be the bid price asked by will not be $8 each. Anybody any questions? Anybody really? Bulong? Shalam? Serena? It's really lah. If you want, take option refresher on Monday. Okay. John, Gary, Tito. Here is a 7 minute trade. There is 7 minutes. How you know 7 minutes? You can see the timing now. This trade is this one was the holidays. The timing what time? 12:53. British Columbia, British Canadian time. Difference between New York and that is 3 hours. So 12:53 p.m. lunchtime is about almost 4 o'clock New York 3:53 p.m. New York time. Buy a trade for $325. For wait 7 minutes, I profit $175. Worst case, how much you lose? I lose $75. Worst case, I lose $325. My profit is 175. So my return over risk is how good? Is about 50%. It's more than 50%. How long? 7 minutes. Thomas, it means you hold the mouse No lah, please I was on holiday I just enter a trade. Market feel its price. I leave it expire in the money. It's a zero DT trade. I expire the money. After lunch, I check. I make money. Then I take the again. Then you go and then we go shopping. This type of trading is nothing wrong. I got students can do that, but for beginners, a 7, 10 minutes, 15 minutes trade is not a good idea. Okay, good. For my students, Mr. Lam, most of the people, I tell people, we will trade half an hour after market open. Tonight, US market open at 10:30. Okay, so 11 o'clock to 11:30 you trade. By 12 o'clock, please go to bed. Okay? After second week of March, the American market open at 9:30 p.m. Singapore time. So at 10 o'clock, you can start trading already. And normally, my students will not take more than 15-20 minutes to trade. If you are good, it take 5-10 minutes only. Mr. Lam, you understand saying you do not go, unless please do not try to say, oh Thomas, I will trade from 10:30 until 5 a.m. in the morning. Do not be crazy. Okay, if you cannot be a 1 hour trader, you cannot be a if you cannot be if you cannot trade 1 hour one time, what make you think you trade 7 hours, 8 hours, you become more successful? Anybody, any question regarding that? Of course. I'll give you exact time when can go in, cannot go in. If the market behave X, Y, don't go in. Market must behave A, F, E, F, G, then go in. Exactly, they must got structure one. After I will show you the 7-step system, cannot. Mr. Lam? The problem I need to talk to you in private because I do not know what's your background. If you are a seasoned if you're a seasoned share trader, okay, or seasoned CFD trader, then it's different from somebody who will not start trading at all. So if you're a veteran trader, had done lose 50,000, lose half a million before, then whatever I share to you now may not be suitable for you. On the other hand, you like say 0, never start before then a 7S system will be good for you. You understand saying? This trade here, I can see this trade is a J trade, buy about 260. Take profit at 410. Take profit at 460. How long? Okay, in less than 1 hour. This one, because by the way, this is a day trade. XD, this is the XDT options. The XDT options, XDT. We are doing XDT now more than 0DT. Okay now, what's how much you lose? 260. I make how much I make? 260, I sell 460. 260, I sell 410. How long? You see same day. This is my favorite style of trading. This style of trading, you ask me how to do shares. Shares, if you want to do shares, it's only good for what? Active day trading, scalping. Thomas, how much how much you make? Hello? How much you enter, you buy at 86.43, then you make 90 cents only, very little money. You buy 186.46, 186.45, you sell 187.43, make 90 cents only, very little money. Excuse me. Before it's not how much money I make. is how fast I make it. These are 3 minutes trade. And enter at 9:37 Singapore time, get out at 39, get out at 40 there. If you do such trading, shares will be the best. Options are much harder to do. In fact, for beginners, I dare not do it. Okay? So which one? Depend on doing lah. If you are doing scalping like that, 3 minutes scalping, then you know lah. PayPal. Okay? 9:39 short, 65.37. Wait for 6 minutes. Get out 65.16. Make 21 cents. Hello, what little money? Excuse me. Hello, 6 minutes. If you are able to make 21 cents in Singapore market in 6 minutes, tell me 21 cents per share. This type of trading that's why I say stock trading for stocks this is the best. Anybody, any question regarding day trading, options, shares, and things like that? Anybody? Anybody questions about options or shares? By the way, my style of trading tend to be passive. That means what? Okay, for option trading, this one I trade holding my mouse. 6 minutes, 3 minutes. But for option trading like here, buy $4, sell 670 and sell 660 make 50, 60%, 70% is what I call passive style. Fast in, faster out. Intra-week trade means what? Less than 7 days, less than 8 day cycle is supposed to in out. As well as see market, trade market is a better way because most people cannot predict the market. Even the predict the market is like driving fast car like that. They very often they predict market right, but they lose control and kill themselves. So basically for option trading, we what we call fisherman style means that we hold it for 1-2 days or farming style 1-2 weeks, things like that. Hunter fast in, fast out. That also can. In current market situation, very often we do trades the last 2-3 hours only with options. And Mr. Lam, if the market is good, I may do a demonstration later tonight. Okay? I will demonstrate tonight, maybe around what time? Around 10:45 onwards. Okay? Okay, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, anybody interested in the live market session around 10:40, 10:45? Okay? Live market session means that we see market, trade market. Okay? I don't trade crypto because why? I don't trust the broker. Because all these brokers are private brokers. I prefer trust the broker got 20 years of history, regulated by MAS. Okay? Here there. This style of trading, if you are good, you know what you're doing. Look. Yeah, 100% return. Buy 275, take profit at $4, take profit at 555, mean 100%. Look, in less than 1 hour. If you are good, you can do that. By the way, this one is not traded with using my tablet or my laptop, my PC. I was on holiday in Greece. The timing is 9:45, 5:45 p.m. Greece timing. Okay, okay. I was on holiday. I was using the Santorini Island internet. That's the reason why I only buy 2 contracts only. I say that if you know what you're doing, everything is okay. Share trading, I don't think anybody interested in share now. If nobody interested in share, I will skip it up. I will skip up the share. Anybody interested in shares? Mr. Lam, if you want to trade in shares, like here like that, let me show you something. You see, buy 1,000 shares at $135, $136. That is $136,000 shares. Okay, buy 136.28. Okay, take profit at 137.53. So how much you make? You make $1.25. How long? 6 minutes. $1,265 in 6 minutes. This one is swing trading, take profit. This one say this one enter again with crypto. Okay, buy 1,140, 1,000. I sell how much? I sell at 141.80. Make $1.84. Here I take profit at $1.76. So another $1,700 worth for 1,000 profit. Add up together, this type of short thing in 36 minutes ignore the hundreds because it's swing trading. Okay, and hundreds hey, I make $2,000 over dollars. This is what I call fast and furious. Are you? Yes. Yes. My basic class option class is 4 nights. You attended already. My practitioner level starts 4 months, 6 months. I won't say advanced level. I'm not just advanced immediate level. I'm interested in what practitioner level means that after attending my class, you become a self-functioning trader. Of course, making money, losing money is up to your responsibility, but you at least know what to do. At least you trade, know how to trade. Why you die, how much you going to lose, you know before you enter a trade. This one, this is not option trading, this is share trading. So if you get Thomas, Thomas, I got $300,000. Then we 100,000, 150,000. Then talk to me. For share trading, can't escape one. You need 6 figures. Okay, you need 6 figures. Mr. Lam, talk to me in private. Then I will go through it. We discuss at which level to enter. Okay. After I show something later. AVGO, my best trade for tonight. Tends to tip up. Can you see it now? Buy 859, sell 97907. Make $47 in 7 minutes per share. You buy 1,000 shares, you make $47,000. You buy 100 shares, you make $4,700. You buy 100 shares. So this method is called fast and furious. So most of the time I do it for fun, or if I need money, I do it. 43 minutes, you can see here. Of course, got losing trades, but most important is not how many losing trades I have. Is plus minus, what is it positive, negative? Is positive. So farmer style is actually passive. Now farming style is not so much in season yet. Okay, but it still can be do. Farming style means it's passive. Means you open and forget. How much time you want to? How much time you spend? 1 hour a week, 1 hour a month, or half an hour 3 times a week? Up to you. Or 5 minutes, or 50 minutes. 50 minutes 2 times a week is up to you. How much risk you take is up to you. How much money you want to make? Up to you. Of course, if you want to make more money, you want to make 5% return, 1% return, then the probability of success much lower. You want high probability or high returns? Up to your discretion. It's your choice. This picture is done in 2014 by my intern 10 years ago. After I explain how to do income eyeing condors, then they say, go. Then they come out this design. A farmer style is very simple. Compared to day trading, day scalping, or chart pattern trading, this one, the farmer style open and forget. In fact, with option trading, you open and forget. Okay, with share trading, okay, open and forget also if you know what you're doing . This is a typical trade. I do look carefully. Opening bell, 10 minutes, 10, 11 minutes after. Go and do some short. Go and do share trading. Short $29.21. Buy back $28.84. So make 37 cents. Not much money. $7 only. How many minutes? 4 minutes. Then we do income eyeing condors here. Then we can do income and here. We can do all the various income eyeing condors. So this type of trading is actually what we call portfolio trading. Means that you trade shares, options, indexes interchangeably. This is one my student trade. Buy 160, worst case lose 160. Thomas, what happened the thing you buy already, the company, the worst case what you lose? $160. How much you make? Sky is the limit. But she took profit at $325 in one day. Inside, open on the 12th of July, close on the 13th, opening bell. The closing part is what I call is automated using a fast in, fast out take profit order. For those people say, Thomas, I heard you do investing options. Yes, investing options are about 1 year or more. You see, this option trade this option is about 11 months long. You see how much I buy now? Buy how much? I buy how much a trade? I buy is 260 leh. I sell take profit at 28 leh. 33 leh. $54 leh. I buy in Feb leh. I close my last trade in June leh. The options is valid until January 2021 leh. January 22, January 2022 here. All these are different style. So ladies and gentlemen, the longer you hold a trade, I think the higher the profit you must achieve. There is no reason to hold a trade for 6 months and you make 10-20% or 30%. For shares it's okay. For options it's bad. Our target return now for let's say now for this Friday night for 5 days straight for 5 days or 7 days straight is to make 30, 40, 50%, 100% return. Trading is everywhere you can do one. Is this a 2014 or holiday? You can see my charts here. Okay, why enjoy holidays? This one thanks to this shopping center internet, I was able to make some money from Lincoln shares. So shares options depend on you. So I think most of the time, if you're funding 3,000, 5,000, 10,000 of the trading account size, then it's best to do options. If your account size is $200,000-$300,000, then shares yes, you can do shares. Shares may be better for you because it's not a good idea to do 50,000 work. It's not unless you're a skillful computer option trader. It's a totally bad idea for anybody to do $50,000 worth of option one time. Anybody? Any questions? Anybody? Any questions? Type yes or no, please. Okay, Mr. Saw and Mr. Lam, if you ask me how to start learning, most people start learning a strategy. A strategy is what we call a 7S system. One method, one application, one underlying trade stocks and shares or trade indexes or trade forex, one market condition context, one type, one specific capital, one time frame, 14 days, 21 days, or 5 days, whatever, or 60 days, or whatever. One specific entry, everything is it. This is what we call a 7S system. Okay? But the problem, this is a strategy system based. Unfortunately, in today's market, having ask you a question, gentlemen. Is you as a driver, you want to drive one car, you want to drive many cars? Okay. Which one better? You want to have one method or you want to have many different methods better? At least you must got method for bullish, bearish, sideways. Maybe. So you must use the right tool. If Mr. Lam want to pick up he's a billionaire friend from Japan go and drive a Lexus or high-end Lexus car. Okay, can. Then you want to pick up his business, a business associate from Germany drive BMW lah. Okay. On the other hand if Mr. Daniel want to pick up his girlfriend now, please do not go and drive a pickup truck, Hyundai pickup truck to pick his girlfriend up for dinner. And send me now. Drive Ferrari better, correct? I said earlier, many different you use the right vehicle to achieve the right objective. You cannot say, Thomas, I drive my Porsche coupe to go to Kelantan jungle 4-wheel drive. You will definitely have a problem. You will think you're stuck. Okay? Good. So I said earlier, this is the thinking way of trading. But this system to learn to apply multiple different strategies, okay, it will take time. It will take time, unfortunately. It take time. I will explain more detail later on. Daniel is one of my tip students. Okay, he's from zero to hero student. Okay, he joined my what I call zero from zero to hero. Okay, he followed me for a few months. He followed me for about less than 2 months. He already done his 50. He's done his 50, 30, 40, 50 trades already. Okay, it depends on the level you are. I'm a firm believer to become a good trader, you need to trade to learn. This is what I call a portfolio trade. $5,000 account size. Use $2,500 as trading capital. You can do how many trades can you do? You can do 10 trades easily. Why? If every trade is $250 per trade, your capital is $250. Can you do 10 trades now? Here is about 11 trades here. Why? You can do 8, you can do 13 trades also can. Why? 250 times 10 trades is 2,500. Can not? Or Thomas, I do $500, $1 trades times $500. Then 8 trades or 250, 2,000. So technically, this is what I call it. So by this start trading portfolio means that one time you got some bullish trade, sometimes you got bearish trade, sometimes we got what we call a sideways range bond trade. So now it will take time to learn. Okay, and you will take this type of program will run to 6 months or more. 4-6 months. Okay. Questions? Okay. This is what I'm looking at. Mr. Lam. If you really want to learn, this is why. Because this one is not learn strategies. This program is to learn skills, learn trading skills, learn competency, options tips. Option trading program is to learn to trade. It's not to learn trade. It's trade to learn. So basically, by the end of 4 months, you are expected to do live trading in class. I repeat, you expect to do live trading. So this is a better program. I tell you what, ladies and gentlemen, any questions now? My job now is to teach you skills. Skill is more important than knowledge. Because skills is Chinese say 五连more, got 五连. Knowledge everyone can read, everyone can know. Skills is something that you need to acquire to counter trading. Yes, for beginner. Do I have more advanced program? Yes. I need to talk to you. If your account size is account size, so don't mind, Thomas. I want to trade. I want to trade $1 million, $500,000. That is different level already. Okay, this one will design people with small account. Okay, but you expected to do you do expect the 1 month to do 20 to 40 trades for the first month. Then for the first 2 months you expect to do 20 to 40 trades, then 30 to 60, then slowly go up. Hey Daniel, last month how many trades you do got fulfill your 20 25 trades Okay, good. Daniel is not a student. I said earlier, 1 month 20 30 trades, at least 20 trades. You cannot even do 30 trades a month how to exercise, how to warm up, how to learn skills, how to become competent. This one, win, learn to lose class. Mr. Lam, I try to suggest talk to me in private. Okay, now it's about wait. Okay. Thanks for someone's suggestion. Someone, ladies and gentlemen, why don't we take a 20 minutes break, Ken? Okay, will be a 20 minutes, a 25 minutes break be good for you? Ah, okay. How about Mr. How about the who else? Shabak and Pat is not here, don't it? And who else? Wulong, come back about 10:35 or 10:40 lah. Okay. By the way, I will give you my contact number. You can WhatsApp me if you want to. If you want to have a private session with me, I can give you my WhatsApp me. I'm free from 11. I can free from 11. I'm free from 11 onwards. Maybe let's go time button here. Nice 05. WhatsApp me or SMS me. My name is Thomas here. Okay. If you are interested in a private session with me. Okay. I never receive. Okay. Let's take a break. Okay, come back 10:35 lah or 10:40 lah. Okay, take care. Testing 1, 2, 3. Is the audio loud and clear, my friends? Ayo, so bad. Hi, Dave. How is start trading it out? Really, Chong, Young, Saw, Melvin is good. Sito is there. Very strange. Okay, never mind. Vincent is not here. Okay, I can see my screen now, gentlemen. Now you're looking at AMD. It's a nice company. Today, can see the gap out here now. Ah. So now the market is going up. Currently now looking at let me go to M50, M5. It's currently telling me what is indecision now. Can see now. Go up, gap out. Yeah, wait. Can you see my screen now, first place? Can you see my screen? Good. So before we go any more further, let me share something to you about open risk versus fixed risk. Can if Mr. Lam is here, and where else? And Willie is here. The Wee Chong I think left already. He left already. Sakit Bar also here. Melvin is there. Sito is here. Good. Here, okay, let's go. Ben, your internet not very good. Now, this is a pattern here. As you can see from here, this is AMD. The trend is your friend. As you notice by now, you can see it's making higher high. Yes, it's making lower lows. Yes. See now, what is high? Here is high. What is low? Here is low. You can see now, low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Means what? Higher low means what? The is what we call a basis of a bullish trend is a series of higher lows and higher highs, of course. But the low is more important because the low is the reflective low is what you call the support trend line. So now we can do this right now. Can you go and let's say now right click here? I'm not gonna do it. I open a new trade here. Let's say now if I want to buy 100 shares. Okay, let's say now I want to buy 100 shares. 100 shares. A normal option contract is 100 shares, 100 options. You see, automatically tell me what? That this by the way, this is my teaching account. Okay, it's a sub $5,000 account size. You see, tell me what? At $100 at $164.42, 100 shares is how much? Is how much? Is 16 how much? Let's see. Yeah. Is $16,442. So can trade now? The answer is no. Thomas got margin How? Yes, got margin. You can see what's the value? $16,442. Okay. Current balance is sub about $4,000 or less. That means that I can borrow margin up to how much? My current buy power is $10,000. I need to borrow $12,000 to do trade. So, ladies and gentlemen, do you think it's a good idea with a $4,000 account size to go and buy 100 shares? Mr. Lam, you understand what I'm saying so far? Okay, understand what I'm saying so far? Really? Okay. It's not feasible. Can. But anything happen, if suddenly a big market move against me, I my sub 5,000 will be badly hurt. Okay, my sub 5,000 will be badly hurt. Okay, it's not feasible. Feasible can is if you do hero. You understand saying really and other people. Sito, if you want to trade hero, sorry hero in real life is one story. Hero in financial market die young. So you cannot. It's not means cannot do, but it's risk management wise is very bad. Anybody questions over? On the other hand, then if I use options here, let's go AMD here for fun. We are going to do a trade for next Friday night. Tonight we're not going to do it. We're going to do for next Friday night. Okay lah. We are going to do a trade for for 14 days, swing trading. Gone already. So which one better? Buy 100 shares or buy a call? Buy a 165 call, which give you like buying shares. Buy a shares give you unlimited profitability. Buy a call, give you the right to buy 165 the AMD share 165. So if the guy go to $500 or go $200 you can have unlimited profitability also. The difference between this trade is what? You can see the price. One price is how much here? Buy the share is $164. Buy the option is $7.74. Which one better? Which one better? You mean so of course depends on your account size. If your account size is 6 figures, okay, buy the shares no problem lah. We can do $16,000 only. I got 200,000. So yeah, it's only how much? Only 10% plus 12% only. But if your account size is $10,000 or $5,000 or whatever it is, then buying a trade for $7.74 better. Which one better? Which one better? By the way, you all can hear me in our first place. I will show you 3 different trades. All the trades are bullish. Okay? This one buy the shares. 164. Buy the call. One buy straight call. How much it cost me? It will cost me 7. Will cost me what now? Sorry, now I change it. This one is 167. So let's change it to 167 here. Okay? Buy a call 67. You can see buy 16 call. Okay? Will cost you how much? Okay. Will cost you $6 and $6.65. Or ladies and gentlemen, you can buy this Shit it. Sorry, a bit messy. So which one better? Buy shares, buy one call options, or buy one call spread? Which one better, gentlemen? Call spread better now. Call spread, this trade is a $250 trade. Okay, why not $250 trade? You can see maximum risk 100, maximum profit 150. I think wrong, 150. Okay, it's perfectly acceptable. Or buy the share better or buy the options better. Mr. Lam, Willie, Tito, which one better for you as a beginner level? Beginner with a $10,000 account size. Buy the call options, it cost you $6.66. $6.65 with about $665. Buy the share is definitely out lah. Okay. So there's nothing wrong with what we're doing, but let's see which one is more suitable. Can everybody understand okay. Ben, okay lah. Eddie, Sito, Melvin. Hey, Melvin, you organize a class I go teach your people Mr. Saw, Wulong. So both of them are tradable. All are tradable. Buy the share is the best but if you can afford $164 times 100 becomes $16,400 You can buy option for $666.65 lah, or you go and buy option for $1 lah. All are 100 multiplier. So you buy $164, $163. Okay? Question so far? You understand better now? You understand better now? Share, buy shares. One thing good, you can hold forever. Okay? Next, buy a straight call. Will cost you $6.65. $665. You can buy $1 debit spread, give you $100. Your profit for the debit spread is $150. Now, which one better? Depends on your trading skills. For beginners starting off, I will tell you go and buy the spread. Because why? I hope you lose. Huh? What do you hope you hope lose? Because let's be honest, to become a good trader, you must be prepared to lose. So if once you learn how to control or master or manage the art of losing, only then you got chance to start making profit and keep the profit made. Ladies and gentlemen, making money is never the problem. It's always losing money the losing money is the problem. Do we agree on not? Mr. Lam, okay now? Mr. Lam, any questions? Anybody have questions? And I don't think, let's just wait, what I see, I don't think it's a good idea to enter now. Because why? Based on what I can see, the price here is our friend is retracing down. How you know, Sufu? Because the price here is dropping. I can see the price here, so don't mind. I press button here, I can see the chart, I see the pattern. Is it dropping down? Let's see. Go to M5. 5 minutes candles, can see now. Yeah, it's dropping down already. So do you think it's a good idea to enter a bullish trade now? Is it idea? It's not a good idea. Yes, the trend is your friend, but tonight when you enter a bullish trade, my advice to you: make sure the night is good. That night itself, at the moment you enter time, it must be going up. You want to enter a bearish trade, tactical trading, short term 35 days or less. When the trend going down, when you do bearish trade, you have to make sure the night is a down night. So let's be honest. So AMD, wait. Of course, Thomas, can I short the thing now? Yes, you can, but you must fast in, fast out. Because why? You are shorting AMD shares, whether to options or not, to options or whatever. Okay, to whatever options or whatever, because you are trading what you call a counter trade. Because do we agree or not? Based on the daily candlesticks, do we agree if you have a bullish company? Thomas, it's red that nope, it's not. I don't care bullish. Yeah. Overall, you can trend now. You can see yesterday market price close up price. Market price close over at this price, this candle bar here. Now today is red, it's green color, but it's going down. So it's best to enter when the thing is going up in terms of chart patterns. Okay, next company. I think the ANET. ANET, just now we looked at it, was hitting a multi-year high, correct? Do they go out bad? Do they can trade or not? Let me check first. Press button here. Okay. And go to 5 minutes chart pattern. See how it can trade now. Yes, can trade. Why? You can see now the opening bell is here. Okay, the opening bell is here. Now is going up. Understand saying so far? So now let's see can trade now. This is good. This AXS is gonna be expensive company. Okay. Mr. Sorry, let me go inside name again. Daniel, what is the budget for the trade? What's the budget for this trade? Trader, my budget is $500 or less. Can trade now? Yes, you can trade. Let me check something first. I see a right click here, press button here. Let me see a trend. The trend is there. The gap is what is the price action value per day? Price action value. Price action value every day. Okay, not too bad. Every day is about $6 plus. Okay, I like it. So tonight I'm going to do a short-term tactical trading. As you can see now, I'm going to do a 7-day trade. This trade is expired. This is a buy bullish trade. So instead of buying the shares, I intend to do what? I intend to buy a call option. I buy a trade for $340. Sorry, $340 here. This is gonna be a short-term trade. Advice to you, when you listen to Jeremy, when you open a trade at time, you do a day order. Okay. So for his case, you idiot. For his case, for our friend Daniel case, he said $250, correct? Press button, buy a vertical spread here. So his trade is budget $250. Check. So maximum profit is 140, 110. So his trade is $250 trade because why? He buy $262.50. He short 265. So the difference between 250 and 265 is 250. So this trade is 250. Can you do this trade now? So gentlemen, we go and do this trade. Commission is only $71.74, include all the exchange fees. Worst case, how much you lose? Worst case, I lose $110. If the company go from $262 up to zero, also is $110. Anybody understand? Any questions? Oh yeah, before I continue, ladies and gentlemen, do you all think should I enter a bullish trade for this trade? Do a live educational trade for you all? Mr. Willie? So lose money, make money, I do not know. But the trade is my friend. I hold this trade for how long? Wait for next week. Okay, if I more, ladies and gentlemen, if I more kiasu, more cares a bit, instead of doing a 7-day trade, can I go and do a 14-day trade better lah? Yes, can. As long as it's within your budget of $250 gross budget. See? Here. Yeah, this trade is when? This trade is for expiring what day? Expiring 2nd of February, 14 days away. The buy price currently now is 90 cents. If I go and do 26th of next Friday, 26th of February, it will cost me $1.10. Most of the time, Mr. Lam, we will do tactical trading, 35 days or less. We are not going to do, our job is my job now, my mission now is to teach you to to do as many trades as possible within a 1-month period. So our trade cycle will be very short, 14 days, 21 days. Come talk to me now. I'll explain to you more detail now, okay? Mr. Lam, I'll talk to you because we can do intraday, we can do intra-week, we can do intra-fortnight. This trade now we're doing now is intra-fortnight. So Daniel, which are you doing? You got $250. So you can do 26th of Jan, 7 days away, or you can do 2nd of Feb, 14 days away. Which are you do, Daniel? Jan said do 7 days spread. Nothing wrong. Because we do not know his 7 days spread is one trade, but he already got several trades in the pipeline already. He already opened several trades. How many trades open? I do not know. But it cannot be one trade or 2 trades. He got several trades. So his quota for next on the 2nd of February, maybe full house already. So maybe he got quota for 26th of January. So remember, as a day trader, we cannot put all our trades into same basket, same expiry. Mr. Willie, understand saying? For this exercise, I go and buy this trade for 90 cents. We cannot put all my $5,000, all my trades into next Friday night. Sorry, if you do that, then you're hoping you better pray you don't become Humpty Humpty. Means once you fall, all your trades gone. Okay, press button here. I go queue. I try to queue for 90 cents. Can feel now? We do not know. Let the market come down. Thomas, you need to get feel now. Ladies and gentlemen, we are not doing day trading, so we don't chase the price. So option style we're chasing now is tend to be passive in nature. Have you got feel already? Okay, gentlemen, I got feel. Okay, Jack, can see now. I queue for 90 cents. I got feel at 90 cents. Can see now. Order place 90 cents. So now I got feel. I put the order in. I buy one. I buy. Sorry. I buy one. Eh? Okay, gentlemen. Sorry, this is not a new trade. This is my Tesla trade. My Tesla take profit trade. You see, gentlemen, this is a Tesla take profit trade. So tell me how much money I make. Gentlemen, you can see the trade order here now. I placed ANTC open trade, have not filled yet. But you can see the trades which I done, Tesla trade which I done on Tuesday night. Daniel, can you see now? I take profit already. How much money I make for this trade? I open on Tuesday night. How much I make? Okay, give me a minute. How much money I make? Give me a minute. I need to do something first. Can see trade. So you can see the bottom part here. Trade confirm is trade confirm. Buy. Can you see the bottom now? Can you see now? Buy to close, sell to close. Means like this. Buy to close, sell to close. Means like this is a closing trade order. It's a take profit take order. How much money I make here? I'll show you later. Give a minute. I take picture first. See that? How much money I make? I make $80. You see or not? You see the price here? I make $80. So what is my original capital risk? Yeah, I buy 315. Okay, I buy 315. I sell 410. I sell 246. I buy back 245. What's the difference here? I bought this trade. How much I bought? I see. I buy 245 minus 6. Okay, I bought this trade for $1.05. I was able to take profit for $80 profit. How many days? I open on Friday. Open on Tuesday night. Is it on Tuesday night? I do. Wait. Let me check first. Give me a minute. Oh, sorry. I opened the trade on 17. So if 17 what day, my friend? Sorry, I opened the trade on Wednesday night. I opened the trade on Wednesday night. I take profit on tonight. So how much I make? I buy in price. Worst case I lose $1.05. I make $80. So I make about 60-70% return. How many days? I open the trade when on 17, I take profit on 18. Anybody really understand what I'm saying? Mr. Lam, you understand what I'm saying? Ladies and gentlemen, this trade is edu trade. This is what I call trade to learn class. All my students who enter the implication program do this one. Even during the first 2 sessions of the class we start trading already. Mr. Lam, you understand what I'm saying? Really okay? Sito? No, this type of trading is not to show off. This type of trade is called edu trades. So basically, I buy the trade for $1.05 on the 17th. Can see now. Open what time? Open at 10 something, 17. Tonight at 10 something tonight, I was able to take profit. I buy $1 and then I buy $1. How much? I buy $1.05 because how I know? Because I buy 315. 315 minus I collect 246. So my risk is $1.05. I was able to take profit, net profit of 70, gross profit of $80. So my return over is about 60-70% return. Open on 17, close on 19. This type of trades is what I call edu trades or trade to learn. Understand me? So if you join me at what I call practitioner class level, you are expected to do this. Every lesson you follow me, you are expected to do this type of trading. At least one or two trades per class. So once you start trading already, then you gain experience, then you gain competency, then you gain skills, then you gain expertise. Knowledge is useless. Knowledge are useless. Okay, Sito, Eddie, Wulong, any questions? Willie answer, Alexa coming from. So now I put in a trade for Ateta. I queue for 90 cents. Unfortunately, while I was waiting for a trade for 90 cents, market move. Now the trade is worth $1.50. Anyway, I will not chase the market. I'll leave the trade alone because my trade is how many days? My trade is 14 days. So whether open tonight or open on Monday night or Tuesday night is not a problem. So now we don't chase the market. We let the price come to us. Mr. Daniel, your 110 trade got filled already now. Am I talking too fast, gentlemen, ladies? Okay, put your take profit order in. Okay, Daniel, put your take profit order in now. Don't be greedy lah, my friend. Take profit at 160, 170. What's the take profit number? Okay, for about 50% return. Good enough. Okay. He's targeting about 50% return around there. Just a 45-50% return. Remember, I'll put GGC, yeah. Okay, anybody any questions? That's why this is a public session. And upfront, within the course student, easily got got quite a number are my students. And I Daniel like that is trading now. Because I talk halfway, I then put a trade here. Angie, any more interesting candidates? You ask Daniel Matter. Okay, fine, let's do a Matter. QCOM, okay. Tonight, I'll be sharing simple directional trading. I will not be talking about income or farming trades. Give me a minute. Sorry, the gentleman, any who's looking at coin, gentlemen, coin, you can do a short-term bearish trade. I repeat, coin can do a short-term bearish trade. Okay, okay. Must remember your trading capital, please. I repeat again, coin can do a short-term bearish trade. Daniel, got budget for your coin? John? Okay, Daniel. Okay, be careful, huh? You need to close it before 3 a.m. in the morning. Okay? A spread Spread or a single leg or two legs. You see that? So this is what I call trade to learn, no? So my students if you join my classes, you expect to do trades, oh. Okay, let's go back to Meta now. Also known as Facebook. Okay, let's stick to Tesla. Okay, very nice. I like it. Gentlemen, you can see now. The trend is your friend. Let me do something check first. Meta. In fact, Meta now better at Tesla. Now go up by $4. So Meta trade can enter now. Yes, you can enter a bullish trade for Meta. But Thomas, can I buy a call? The answer is no. Why? It's $5.20 now. So unless you got a budget of $5.20, I think it's a bad idea to do a trade. Anyway, let's go and do a 7-day spread. It's a vertical spread. Thomas trade $1. Why is so cheap? With $5 because buy what? I buy the 382.50 at $5.10. I sell 385 for $4. The difference how much? Is 95 cents. So I will buy a trade, make sure it's day order, buy a trade for $1, I press button, trade confirm, done. So whether got few or not, let the market wait a few minutes. So Meta can trade now? Can. You enter Meta now? John, are you here? Pat, you may want to do the Meta trade or you do the coin trade. Try not to pay more than $1 for your spreads, for your 250 spreads. Pat. Wee Chong, also the same. Okay. Do a couple of spread trade cheap. You all can hear me or not? Type yes, please. Daniel, do remember when you do 0DT on this type of Tiger, Momo, and Saxo, they may auto close you. Okay? Can you all hear me? Good, you hear me. Okay, any more companies? So next company you look at now is what? QCOM, one of our favorites in the past. Still got QCOM. So gentlemen, you do not need to look for the best company. We are traders. We know what's going on. This company now, yes, so nice. Okay, stop. I think already. How many trades you put in already? If you put in 2, 3 trades or 4 trades already, stop. Even got good lobang like here, like QCOM. It's a nice trade. It's breaking new high. You are breaking new high, correct? And this one you break, wow, can see, this one is like breaking, wow, breaking a 3-year high, see, 2002. The last high, that high was in 2002. So technically it's about 2 years plus high now. So can good now? It's good, but be careful. What is your quota for tonight? Means that how many trades can you place the order inside the market? Because I don't want you like some of the stupid ships wow, market good enter 10 trades one night Sorry your job is to slowly pace yourself in, pace yourself out. Do not go and put in 10 trades tonight, okay? Especially those newbies. Sorry Willie and Wilong and Lam Saw Sabak and who anyone else? Tito, any questions? If you want to have a private discussion with me, drop me a message. I open the door to it. So I believe really you got training experience. Okay? So QCOM good now. Good, nothing wrong. We can take it. But what is your quota per trade per night? I don't want you, ladies and gentlemen, do not be like some of my students in the past. Wow, got one night go and end up put in 15 orders in put in 15 orders in 1/2 an hour, got few in 10. Got few 10 trades. Nothing wrong lah if you're a seasoned trader lah. But I don't think it's a good idea as a starter. Okay. The AVGO. AVGO must careful because AVGO is very expensive company. It's a $1,400 company. So just make high again. So this trade is very difficult to do. Not difficult to do. It's not difficult to do. Need high capital. Let me show you AVGO. Oh, by the way, this is a company that I make $47 in 7 minutes using shares. $47 per share in 7 minutes. I said now we go and do a 7 day trade. You can see now. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see here. Let's say now you go and buy a bullish trade. How much it cost you? Gentlemen, it will cost you $21. Yeah, what's budget? $21.40. How much it cost? $2,140. So most of you do not have the capital to trade. If you have the capital to trade $2,000, or you can buy the shares at $1,181, is nothing wrong. But most of you cannot afford it. Most of the starter traders cannot afford it. Shares and CFDs, really? You thought, Thomas, can I do a spread? Yes, you can do a spread. But what's the problem? The problem is this is a $5 spread. So if you have the budget for $5, nothing wrong. Accepted. Thomas, for $5, how much you make? For $5, for $5 risk you take, you can make $300. So your potential return over is 150%. So which one better? By the way, may I ask you? So if you don't answer me, can. But are you a seasoned trader? Means that you are competent self-functioning stock trader, or you are Chinese head, or you are looking for alternative, or you no head no tail. Okay, don't answer me. If you answer yourself, drop me a message when you help. Mr. Lam, any questions? Social matter, up to you. We can buy a call for $2,100, or you can do a predefined capital spread trade for $500. Yes, Mr. Song, you need about at least $3,000 to start. Anybody, any questions? Okay. Let me go and close one. Let me see my trades got filled now. But ladies and gentlemen, I repeat again. This is not my teaching account. This is not my live trading account. This is my teaching account. Let's check first. Tesla take profit, make $80. Okay. After commission becomes $76. Okay. Then I got Boeing inside in process now. Is my Boeing trade in process? Yes. Haven't take profit yet. Don't mind. You can see my date expiry. My Boeing take profit is when expiry. Okay, my couch strike here is going to lose money. Okay, it's expiring 19. So let me give me. Let me go and take picture of this one first. Sorry. Sorry, if it sounds confusing and no slides. It's primarily it's to me straightforward because this one is objective side is to trade to learn. Okay, now market started already. Okay, now I need to close all my trades. 19 expiry, vertical spread here. What's the price now? It's $1. So today is what day that? Today is 19th, right? So now today is what? This is a closing order. So what can I do? Gentlemen, I need to close the trade. So what can I do? I cancel here. I modify my order. Theoretical pricing is what? 160, 119. So I change it. I will go down to what's the price? I can see the market price now. SCB is 185, my price 95, 190. So I put $1. I do not, dear gentlemen, because this trade is expiring tonight. I'm queuing to take profit at 185, but market is not going my way. So my entry my take profit my take profit number is 185. my buy-in price is $1.10 or $1. I think the buying price is $1. Whatever lah, don't care lah. So why do this, German? Why do I put a queue for $1.10 and fill the trade in and see how much money I make, how much money I lose? Now, let's Daniel, everybody else, what I'm doing here now is trying to close all the 19 September trades. 19 September trade are referring to when? I'm referring to 19 September trade, I'm referring to expiring tonight. So now our job now, do not leave expiry trade, hold until hold the trade, hold the expiry because of the risk of assignment onto physical shares. You understand things so far? Or you get lost? This one is matter. Buy of this is a buy to open trade, buy to open trade. This is sell to close trade. Okay, this one I lose, so nothing much. I leave it alone. Anyway, don't mind. The Tesla trade, you notice, I close. You see, I close Tesla trade. I take profit. Okay, Tesla, I take profit here. Okay, then here I make money, lose money. So let me go and check. Let me check how much I lost here. See here, I buy 396, 996 for 3 here, then 396. Okay, I buy this trade for $1.10. I buy this trade for $1.10. I was not market never give me to take profit at 185. So now I buy. Okay, gentlemen, my Boeing trade break even. Why not break even? I can see now. When I open at time, cost me $1.10. How do you know $1.10? I buy 392. I sell 382, so 110. So later on, I buy to now I close it. I buy how much? 434, and I collect here 333 what? 324. So $1.10. So I net my Boeing trade break even. Yes, the metal trade is for 26. Is it? Check. Yes, yeah. Yeah, correct. You're right. It's expiry for 26. I look carefully. Metal, correct. 19 is referring to the date. The 19 is referring to the date the trade was opened, created. Expiry is 26th of September, 26th of January. So we're looking at next Friday night. If you got few now I queuing for $1.10. I now queuing for $1. Current price is 110, 115 around here now. Okay, so now I got one more trade here. These two trades I'm not going to touch. Day order means that when I put a day order, it means that this is a new order. I want to open the trade. Ladies and gentlemen, if you open a trade, you must put in day order. Please do not put GGC. Okay? So next I need to close what? Is the crowd. It's a crowd. This one I go lose money. Current market price is 32 cents. So I click button here. I need to adjust it to what's the market price now. Check. 32 cents. So I don't mind. I clear it. This I will take a partial loss for the trade. I think I buy it about $1, I think. So I go lose 65 cents. I clear at 35. Press button. Send. Let's see the market view here. This one crowd. Okay, gentlemen. I queue at 35. Market give me at what price? I also got few. Okay, now I change myself $35. Market on the spot give me. So I queue for 35 cents. But I need to check. Is it I get 35 cents or better? How much here? 60 cents buy in 25. So yes. So here you see now. 60 at 60 cents at 25 here. So it's 35 cents. So yes, I feel at my 35 cents. Yes. The putting day order is for opening trades. Mr. Lam, when you do trading, do not put to open a trade, don't put GCG order. Why? You put GTC order, today not a few. Hello, today is Friday night. Saturday, Sunday, hey, hello, things that happen. So we do not fill the trade here. We do not put day trading. We don't put GT order if I must put day order. So to open a trade. But to be fair, Sham, Mr. Lam, we do use day order to open new trades. But the only time we use day or GTC order to open a new trades is you are doing a LEAPS investment trade. That means that you're going to do options January 2026. Then you can queue. But for normal tactical trading, like now, like that, is day order. Understand what I'm saying, Mr. Lam? Or am I talking too much? Really, any questions? Okay. Daniel, you understand say now? The only time you want to put a GTC order in that, I queue for options January 2026. I queue at my price. Then you put GTC. January 2026, not 2025. Okay, means that you are going to buy LEAPS. Then LEAPS because it's so long, so 1-2 years away, so you have very often a queue for it. So I think best do GTC. But for tactical trading, 35 days or less, hell, focus on day. Okay, so I one, I able to close for break even. Two, another one I able to close one my losing trade for partial losses. So the other one I lose about 65 cents. Okay. Anybody any questions? Oh yeah, this is very common. Okay, okay, this is very common. So Mr. Lam and the rest of you, Mr. Wu, I attend my options basic class on Monday. At least I will give you a good understanding of options. Sorry, let me take this screen capture first because I need to do screen capture. Because if I don't do screen capture, I don't have record. So which one now we're looking at? You want me to look at ALB? So far, the two trades I'm queuing to close, queuing to open, the GTD order, the market refused to give me the price. So we don't mind, no hurry. Okay? Oh yeah, by the way, gentlemen, just in case you don't understand, the best time to open a new trade should be during the Monday or Tuesday of the week. Friday, we tend to close more trades than open the trades. Okay, still okay. Gentlemen, so if you want to open a short-term trade, it's always best to do it on Monday or Tuesday night. Please do not. Friday still can do, but it's better for us to do it that way. Gentlemen, this trade cannot trade. Why cannot trade? Current now, yes, it's a bull. The trend is your friend. It's a bearish trend. Do we agree now? Every high is a lower high. Every low is lower low. Agree now? For the last don't know how many quite a number of days already. Agree? Why cannot trade? It's because of one thing. It's running into the immediate support resistance. You can see here. Do we agree there is a major support level zone here? At 112. Daniel? Yes, sir. 112 here. So this one not a good idea. Okay, in fact, I was thinking the other one the A and Z the A net one may be better candidate. Wait. So far, we all wait. Let me check first. So far, all the trades that we doing now is bullish, is it? Bullish. Okay, cannot. Okay, stop. Daniel and Wee Chong, everybody else Daniel, Wee Chong and John, everything bad Listen carefully I already put in two bullish trade. So if you already put in two bullish trade order, do not put in any more bullish trade. Understand me now? If you want to put a trade now, you must put in bearish trade. Daniel, Miss P, Young, Okay, am I understand? So now by nature, I cannot do the A net. So but I said earlier, just now we saw the coin. Let's go look at coin, no. Okay, support resistance zone lah. For us, simple lah. Drop below 111 and stay there. Okay. Normal support 9 is 112 ah. I know. But repeat again. Support 9 is never a 9, it's always a channel. Yeah, good. Let's go and do a trade. So let me check my directionality. Let me check my commitment now. So stop. I got 2 trades on 19. So I got 2 trades. Okay, I got 1 trade on 26, 1 trade on 2nd. So can I do lah? Yes, I can do it because I don't have. You make sure, do me a favor as traders, do not put all your eggs into one Friday night. So spread it around. Okay, let's say now we're going to do. Yes, inside here. We are going to do a $1 trade. Thomas, the option is $7. Yes, I know. We are going to do a spread trade. Buy a spread trade for $1. Okay, stop. Gentlemen can see now. The spread trade is 75 cents. The spread trade cost me 75 to buy. So this trade is what I call abnormal trade. Do not do. I repeat, do not do. Why? Because the profitability do not meet our requirements. Profit 25, lose 75. So this trade is a bad trade. So we don't do this one. So next we find something else to do lah. Right click here, press button, buy. So take a spread. This trade 55 cents, not very good. But I don't mind to queue for 50 cents. Okay? Because option price will fluctuate. So if the market drop, okay, I make 45 cents. Make it for learning purpose 45 cents. 45 cents. Maximum loss 45, maximum return 55. We just queue for 45 cents, let the market fluctuate here and there, and hopefully come to us. Okay. By the way, okay, be careful, okay. As a trader, sometimes we talk too much, talk far. Just now I focus too much on bullish. This one is a call, so it's a fail trade. Wow, 65 cents cannot, too expensive. So we don't trade. Next, right click here, press button, buy a bull call spread. 45 cents here cannot. Yes, I do a two trade for 45 cents. What's my maximum risk? 45. What's my maximum profit? 55. Okay, I press this button, I send to the market. See market can feel me now. So currently I put up 2 trades inside. I put up 2 trades inside bullish and 1 trade bearish. And now let the market come to us. We do not want to overpay for the trade. 45 cents, I'm happy. 50 cents, 65 cents, no. Anybody have questions? Melvin, you organize a small class. Go there and teach Melvin. Really? Wulong, sorry. Mr. Lam. So objective is very simple. Is to use options to substitute shares. Simple as that. Substitute shares. Your job is not to maximize profitability. If you got trading skills, really got trading skills, and Mr. Lam got trading skills, I can teach you more powerful methods. Whatever I shared to you now is actually basic entry level 1 stuff. If you got trading skills, or your TA skill or your charting skills, you're a good candlestick trader, I can teach you more. I can teach you more powerful. our target returns is not 50%, 100% return. Our target percent is 200% return already. So like Willie and Mr. Lam got trading skills Wee Hong got trading skills no, got good candlesticks can read TA very good then you can do wonders. That's the reason why I need to talk to you because I teach people to become traders. I don't teach people become to trade strategies. Anybody any questions? See my your 大师姐 here asked me to close down for a night. So remember again, tomorrow I'm free from 11 to 2 p.m. If you want me to talk WhatsApp or Telegram or Nine, no problem. I prefer to meet in person, of course. Up to you. So my offer to you is actually a private session. If you want to meet up, good. Don't meet up, okay. After all, I'm a firm believer of personal responsibility. Tito, any questions? You're very quiet, no? Yes, for those who are overseas, Malaysia and Thailand or wherever, okay, yes, I'll be doing 100%. I'll be launching a special 100% online webinar class. Okay, in Singapore, most of the time it's a live in person hybrid, but I'll be launching 100% uh, five to five sessions 6 sessions class trade to learn a practical class over 3 weeks. If you're interested, drop me a message. Okay, anybody questions? Mr. Lam, Willie, Wulong, Mr. Saw. If not, gentlemen, take your let's go. Let's wind down for a night. My your 大师姐 let's say 11:30 already. I talk too much. I talk 3 hours class. I hope you learn something out of it. Okay, by the way, selling puts is not fixed risk selling puts is selling nickel call nickel puts is open risk because nickel call nickel puts can be converted to long shares and short shares anytime so people. Okay, selling nickel call selling put is your risky. Okay, good night everybody, and drop me a message if you're interested. Off the record.